is you can actually go into the trade tab, all products, and let's say I wanted to trade this 58 strike on AMC. You can just right click, and I got this linked to a color link, or you can just copy the actual contract name. This is the contract name, but I like to link it and send it to a color link. So if I send that to brown and go back to active trader and I set this one to brown, it's going to pull up that contract and you'll actually see the price action of the contract itself. And then of course you got the active trader on the side. So if I wanted to pay, only if it was going up in value, I would shift and then click on here. It's not going to go through because it's pre-market, but if I were to shift click there, it would send the order in. It would put a limit order in and get triggered in if price went up.